Well, hello there. This is Darren Glenn Cook from Cook's Catapults and Miscellaneous Deborah. Hey, stick around. Let's check out this cool old Craftsman camp axe restoration by Eli Curtis. Well, you know what we got to do now? We got to use it as a dang slingshot. Well, it passed that test. Now let's throw it through some more. All right, y'all stuck around. Hot dang. All right, ooh, cutting up some lighter or fat wood. Smell that, smell it. Oh, it smells so good. But we're here to talk about this thing right here. This was a restoration job by Eli Curtis over at 360 Vintage Tools. Go check him out on Instagram, Facebook, and everywhere else on the universe. Look at that hang job. 15-inch handle, hickory. But man, I just love the style head right here. This is absolutely gorgeous. Did a great job. I've been carrying this with me since Eli sent it to me. Go check him out, man. He's restored some really cool tools. He makes some really great handles. Cool guy. I mean, shoot, he sent me a vintage slingshot from the 60s, which is right on time as well. Oh my goodness. Anyway, thanks again, Eli. This was a great little camp axe. It's sticking with me everywhere. Anyway, go check him out. Hey, let's get outside. Enjoy yourself. Peace out.